Ubisoft launched a new game kind of quietly. I told you about this morning. You're like, what are you talking about, Lou? I know about games. You're going to tell me about a new game? You were very upset. It's called Hyper Space, and it's a battle royale game. And I got to admit, I hopped on Twitch.
Okay.
And I booted up a couple streams of this game, and it kind of got me going.
Got you riled up?
It might have. I might have been riled up because, I like the futuristic look. Look, first of all, look at this guy in the photo. Mm-hmm. So, I like the futuristic look. Obviously, everything's about Battle Royale right now. And it's fast. The gameplay is just, you're jumping around. These people they're not quite flying, but there's these massive jumps. And there's these boosts in speed that you can move kind of in any direction with. And other than that, we were trying to pin it. What is it most like? Well, it's a battle royale, so it goes into that category of games, but it's definitely not Fortnite. It's obviously not Warzone. We were thinking it's sort of close to Apex.
Uh-huh.
But then the weapons and the kind of fantasy element feels more like Overwatch.
Yes.
But that's not a battle royale game. So it's a real mashup of these things. But I'm most excited for the action, the fighting mechanics, and the futuristic vibe. That's where my angle goes. Now, of course, this is they've got some kind of interesting approach, much like we were talking about OnePlus off the top of the show. You kind of strategically leak the thing a little. You drip it, not leak it. That's the new word. You drip it because it's intentional.
Yeah.
It didn't get out by accident. You just dripped a little piece of it. So they partner up with certain streamers. I believe Tfue was one of the first people to be streaming it. I think it was this morning. And he had like 50,000 viewers, according to this article. And I was watching a couple of other streamers. So you select, you get the little groundswell going. Valorant did something similar. And then people really want it. And they all sign up. And then they get the game at a later date. So some people are playing it right now. I guess the general public can't get it right now, but it looks promising. It could be the next big battle royale hit. What do you think, Will? Does it have what it takes? Ubisoft behind it. They're kind of a big developer.
Yeah, they're backed by a good company. It looks promising. It's based on the screenshots. And
you're going to give it a shot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, very well.